Hello, everyone. Let's talk about what's going on for this week of November 9th through the 13th. So at this point, you should have finished up gallery and have submitted that. So you'll have to be watching to see if once I grade that, give you feedback. Again, some of you may need to fix that, some will be good. Don't wait before you start the next one. Again, you want to keep moving and keep on submitting. If I see some type of pattern, I'll certainly be reaching out to you. But again, look and see if you need to do any type of revision for gallery. That was due this last Friday. So what's happening this week? Again, on Tuesday, we're looking for apply to one and extend to one to be due. And then on Friday, we're doing write to one and then lab to one healthy lifestyle. Now, it's very important that you are going to the assignments. Open up the actual assignment. Make sure you're seeing the directions here, looking to see like what type of font substitutions we have. Some files will have, again, templates down here that you can download. This one does not. You make it from scratch. So again, the other thing, it's the most important thing, is please watch this video to show you the expectations. And sometimes, again, I think it's a good idea to watch the video before you start, because a lot of times I point out things along the way that might be incorrect, or I point things out that you might have trouble with, or show you what to do in some cases. So it's important that you're looking at that. And then the last thing in this video would be your video criteria. This is going to be very important moving forward, that you are following this, because I'm not redoing things constantly over and over again if you're not following this criteria. So again, in order to get full credit for the assignment, you must meet all the criteria that's spelled out in here. So essentially, in most of these assignments, you have to show me your file section, just like we did back in chapter 1. Number 2, you have to show me your CSS, the code view, in most files, not all. And then you have to show me the actual template that you made, and then also finally the index page that you're making. But again, not all these follow the same suit, so you have to watch each individual video that goes along with that to spell things out. So again, before you start apply, please watch the video. Before you start doing extend, watch the video. Repeat the process. There's nothing new. There's no magic surprises that's going to happen here. And all the assignments like healthy lifestyle, design, salon, they're just like gallery. So it's just honing your skills, making sure you can demonstrate to me that you know what to do. So hopefully once we get past gallery, it should be an easy week. Keep up with the assignments. I will be watching for, that you're, turning things in on time. So I am going to be a little more strict about that, that I need you to be with me. Please do not be trying to submit things to me 2-3 weeks after the deadline. This will not be a good outcome. I want everyone to do well here the second marking period. My expectations are very high from everyone. So again, I think this is going to be a good week once we get past gallery and you guys can get these 4 assignments done. Let me know if you get questions. Thanks. Bye.